In this tutorial, we will compare a depth blur and the new lens blur feature in Camera Raw. First, duplicate the background layer and convert it into a smart object for non-destructive editing. Then go to the filter and select the Camera Raw filter. Scroll down and choose the lens blur option. Click on apply and wait a few seconds for this AI feature to do its magic. It does a pretty good job. Now to compare the lens blur feature, let's apply blur using the depth blur feature. Duplicate the background layer and go to filter and choose neural filter. Scroll down and turn on the depth blur feature. This AI feature also does a pretty good job. Let's compare both AI features. First, the lens blur feature. After applying the lens blur, you will see the blur amount slider. You can use this slider to control the amount of blur. This slider is also available in depth blur feature, which means you can also control the blur amount in the depth blur feature. The next amazing feature in lens blur is bokeh. This is one of the most incredible features in Camera Raw. You can use this option to add beautiful bokeh light to your background. You can also play with 5 different bokeh styles and adjust the bokeh lights using the boost slider. Unfortunately, this feature is not available in depth blur. The next slider in lens blur is the focal range. Using this slider, you can control the blur amount from the front to the back of your image. You will also see 2 little icons, subject focus and point focus. If you choose the point focus option, you can manually control the focus by clicking on your image. If you choose the subject focus option, the software will automatically analyze your subject. This feature is also available in depth blur. By default, the focus subject option is checked. If you uncheck this option, you can adjust the focal distance from front to the back using the focal distance slider. And you can also adjust the focal range with focal range slider. In lens blur, you will see the visualize depth option. If you check this option, you can see the depth map of your photo. This feature is also available in depth blur. Scroll down and check the depth map only option. You can preview the depth map of your photo, and you can also save your depth map and use it to enhance your photo. Let's go to refine section in lens blur. Here you will see 2 brushes, the focus brush and the blur brush. Using the blur brush, you can add blur to any part of your image by painting on it. And with the focus brush, you can add focus to any specific part of the photo. You will see some slider, which lets you control blur and focus amount, feather, brush size, and flow. However, this feature is not available in depth blur. But in depth blur feature, you will find some amazing slider. Using these sliders, you can control haze, tint, saturation, and brightness. In comparison, both features are good. In lens blur, you can add bokeh blur, and in depth blur, you can generate a depth map only and use it to enhance your photo. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like and comment below.